Hey y'all, got 3 chicken breasts right here. These are organic, they are so good for you. Next ingredient are these small potatoes. They're so good. I love how the bag just tells you that they are small, so cute. Then we're gonna take a can of beef stock. I'm gonna add this to the entire dish. This is gonna be so good, y'all. Such an easy dinner to make for the family. And then I've got this Lipton soup mix. I've already opened it up. Put that all over the top, just like that. And some Montreal steak seasoning. I'm not really gonna measure this, but you can just add however much you want. I would say a good couple of teaspoons, I think, would be great. Then I'm gonna be adding these sliced onions, but actually they're like wedges. So you just go ahead and break up the wedges. Just put that in here like that. Such a simple dinner. You can set this during lunch and then forget it. Come back at dinner. It's gonna be all ready to go. Gonna give everything a really good mix. Make sure that all those ingredients get combined. All those onions get mixed in with the chicken and the potatoes. Like that. We'll be adding these petite carrots. I guess that's what they're calling baby carrots these days. You can go ahead and add the whole bag of these. We're just gonna add a little bit more of that steak seasoning on top of everything. And then the last ingredient is this is half a stick of butter. I'm just gonna wedge that right in the middle like that. That's gonna warm up and make everything nice and buttery. And all we have to do is put the lid on this, set this on high for 3 hours. Wow, it is so steamy and it smells amazing. I'm gonna give this a quick stir. Make sure everything is combined. Get our chicken right out from the bottom. Wow, look at that, it looks so good. Okay, put that on there. Put a couple of potatoes, some onions, and those carrots. This carrot. And that chicken, oh my gosh, that chicken falls apart like crazy.